Take the box downstairs, put it on top of it. Yeah, that thunder is serious stuff too.
Can't you tell it's thundering?
I want that. Get the door partially open. I will put it on top of the washer since you're doing no laundry, please.
I am in the dryer.
Do what I said.
What socks, dude?
Please. Did you shut everything off? You didn't turn the fan off.
We're back. Appreciate it. How you doing, coward?
Bring me out a... Whoa! I got that one on video.
Security valet. Number 1-939. Can I have that city
This thing bitch is spitting lightning out like mad. Put it on top of the washer, please. You just missed it. There were 3 direct strikes. The same. You're not getting in the way doors. Move.
It's gonna get wet.
Yeah, go outside if you're gonna go and get wet. Do it out there, but you're not. Just had 3 direct strikes in the same spot, right above those trees.
Brought him outside because he's crying because Christina lost.
672.
Where did she take off to?
They went to get dinner.
Didn't even offer.
Operator 7. Just passing the Atlantic Apartments a few moments ago, headed towards Pittsfield. There's going to be a white Chevy Impala license plate 2100015. Reportedly all over the road, tailgating,
No.
cursing
You
and
like
other
water.
No, usually he wants to drink plays. He was upset mommy left, so I'm over here.
Yeah, 10-4, 15. I'm still on Lane's ball, right?
I don't even know where my Cheez-Its are on the
Man, when you were coming over, did it sound like the fan was shut off in the office?
10-4.
I didn't even notice it. So probably, yeah, it's off. Usually I can hear it,
Yeah.
but I didn't hear it.
Come on. Come on.
Do you have short Amtrak coaches? By any chance?
No.
God damn it.
Damn. I'm trying to shoot video of the light, and you just like everybody else. Got 1,001 questions. Stop. Not you, Matt. It's.
Laurie, if you can hear me, in your lane coming down just after the Goodwill, there's a 3-car MBA. I don't know if you're going to be able to get through
Oops,
there
excuse
now.
me. What did I just miss?
Down by Goodwill, there's a 3-car.
I know about that. I
Jammed up and just
think I just got a good lightning strike, but I hit my head and turned looking that way when it happened.
Did I ever show? I don't think I showed you the videos of my lightning strikes I had from a storm before.
Sometime.
But sometime I'll show you.
Jeff,
I gotta pick Jasmine up at 7.
kitten.
Let the kitten be.
Kitten will know to go in the bush.
Where did that hit?
And it happened right over here.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of lightning hitting in the same spots.
Right now, too.
You hit my lady.
Doris, you take a chance getting hit by lightning. I need you out of the way. You're in. Forget it. I'm not.